What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
So the thing is, when I take picture, it gets clear, but when I'm gonna record a video, it's blurry.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
I don't know if it's fixable, but can you fix it?
Yes, don't worry. I got you.
Thank you.
Good boy.
Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's good to go. Let me see. Picture, video, no more blurry. You are all set.
Wow. No way. That's amazing, man.
Everything look good?
Yeah, man, totally. Let's see.
Wow, look at that.
Amazing.
Beautiful, huh?
Beautiful.
We need this one, right?